Welcome to the final and most challenging part of the course. In this chapter, we will implement Pac-Man, one of the most loved games of all time and played by millions of people around the world. In this game, you will act as Pac-Man, who is positioned right here almost in the center of the stage, and your job is to eat the small yellow dots that are scattered throughout the maze. In the meantime, you will be chased by your enemies, Inky, Blinky, Pinky, and Clyde, who are intelligent ghosts that are not controlled by anyone, but they move based on their own programming, whereas you control Pac-Man with your left and right and up and down arrow keys. If a ghost touches you, you lose a life. So let me show you. My job is to eat these yellow dots, and the ghosts are trying to chase me. If one of the ghosts hits me, then I die and I lose a life. But if I touch one of these flashing yellow dots, that's a power pill. And that means I'm going to set ghosts on the run. And if I touch them, I'm going to eat them and I'm going to make them unavailable for the duration of the round. But this time I died because after a given time, the ghosts revert back to their normal state. Now my job here is to eat as many of these dots as possible, and if I finish all the dots, I finish the level. But I'm being cornered by these smart ghosts, because your job here is to implement these ghosts and make them able to run on their own code. So for the first time in this course, we will program intelligent enemies that based on their own programming, will try to get you. So this will be super interesting and a lot of fun, but it will also be a bit of a challenge. So go ahead and create a new project in your account and go to this video in the Udemy dashboard and download the zip file attached to this very lecture. Then unzip that file and import it into your Scratch project that you've just created. So I'm going to simply load from my computer and I have Pac-Man SB3. And right now we have all the sprites that we need for this project. So arm yourself with a lot of energy and a lot of patience because we're going to write a lot of scripts, we're going to learn a lot, and we're going to implement one of the most loved games of all time. So I don't know about you, but I'm excited. So I'll be waiting for you in the next video.